Hi, I'm Keiko at KTMHolisticHealth.com, and today I really wanted to talk a bit more in depth about all the different tools that are available now that can help you empower yourself to take charge of your own health. And of course, as health coaches, we're here to support you. But one of the things, that I didn't know until I became a health coach, a lot of these things that are available to us. And so this is to kind of share what I've learned. And so you can really start to go, okay, I got this. I don't have to depend on the current system if it's not working for me. There are a lot of new things happening that allows us to take charge of our health. And I've always, had great experiences personally with medical doctors and nurses. And so it's not this or that. It's that we can take everything in, utilize everything at our disposal, and really make decisions that work for us. So it's really about empowerment. And two of the first things I'm going to mention are MD based. So there is an incredible site called myfreedoctor.com, and I learned about this maybe about a year or so ago. And you don't need to have insurance. You can go online to their website. It's donation based. And of course, I highly recommend we all donate and make sure these organizations are able to, stay for everybody. But it's donation based, and you can get a virtual consult with a medical doctor, and if you need any kind of medication, they can help you get what you need. And so it's like you don't have to wait in line anywhere. You don't have to leave your house if you're not feeling so good, and you can get professional help that way. Of course, I'm sure there are certain limitations, and it may depend on the state you live in, but that's one incredible resource that I have personally used, as well as my family. The other one that's actually I've been seeing a lot lately is called the Wellness Company, and it's Twc.health. And it's a membership group, but you can also get virtual care and consult without a membership. So I think it's like maybe $10 more, depending on what it is that you're getting. But I think you can get like a $69 virtual consult by not being a member, and then you get a $10 discount by being a member. And the memberships aren't that much either. So, these are incredible resources that I think will probably continue to grow. They recently announced onedental.com. I think they're partnering with them so that we can also get dental plans. So again, not everybody needs this, but this is a great resource to have that's incredibly affordable. Okay, so the other area I've love to explore is direct-to-consumer labs. So as health coaches, and actually I'm an FDNP, so I've been trained by functional diagnostic nutrition training, and so we in that training we learned a lot about functional tests and how we can help our clients. We can educate them and help them understand their test results and what that means. And so through the FDN program, we do have access to a lot of various tests as well as support. So we can get consults so that we can be sure that we are giving our clients the best education on the various labs and understanding them and which ones might be most helpful, especially if you're on a limited budget. So some health coaches are trained. I did also recently get an account with Avexia, and so and with Avexia, when we get an upgraded account and we pay additional, we do have access to doctors to either ask questions so we can give our clients better information, as well as pay for more consult and help, just so that, we are advocating for our clients and making sure that we're educating our clients with the best information. So there's just a lot of support. I guess that's what I'm trying to say. And then the direct-to-consumer labs that, us as some health coaches can assist and guide you in which ones might be helpful for your case, or you can just go and order these yourselves, purchase it, learn about it, and understand it. Maybe take it even to your family physician, once you get it, if, there's some issues for them ordering it for you. So there's Ulta lab tests. I've used them. They're amazing. Any lab test now. And then there's directlabs.com. Directlabs.com has a lot of specialty labs. So that's also really helpful. Okay. And then another little thing I'd love to just add is, just because these are amazing resources that, I didn't know about until I got into this field, is, so I went to a Great Plains lab, kind of like a teaching seminar. I think it's like a weekend event where I went to learn about the organic acids test. And that's a pretty big test. And, being a health coach, it's like, I want to make sure my clients are getting their best information. And if it's an area I'm kind of like, yeah, I think I'm going to stick to other areas that I can really understand better. Dr. Kurt, who I think is the lab person there, or the director. I'm not sure exactly. Sorry, Dr. Kurt. But he has his own website where it's labtestplus.com. And if you go to his site and order the organic acids test through his website, he also includes like his review and his recommendations. And I don't think it was that much more. So I think their little tagline was like, direct to you with a doctor's review. That's so cool. So it's just that there's so much. And so like, that's something I would personally use so that I know I've got extra backup and understand, what I need to help my clients with. So, but you can go directly to his site and get it yourself and help yourself. Okay. So I'm not trying to, say you need my help. I'm just saying these are the things that I've personally learned, and we can really help ourselves and our families by, just doing a little extra research and finding these great resources that can, help you. So empower yourself, learn, and always, if you need a little extra support or needing to get pointed in the right direction, or just really need somebody to talk to, you can find me at KTMHolisticHealth.com. I think I'll put the link in the description. But let's really, take charge and get healthy and live an optimally healthy, happy life all together, because that makes a better world, right? Have a beautiful day.